Welcome back to the NExT Appraisal Tool modules. In this module, we will be discussing question number 10. Is there a statement about IRB approval? This type of information is typically found in the methods section of an article. Studies that involve human subjects are required to be approved. The approval typically involves an institutional review board, also known as an IRB. This approval process provides oversight to ensure that the study is ethical and that participants' rights are being maintained. Original research usually has a statement that identifies who approved the study. Note that not all types of reports involve research procedures and may not require approval from an institutional review board. Examples like quality improvement and case studies wouldn't usually have an IRB statement. Here is an example from a published article. Notice the author lists this under an ethics statement heading and identifies the entities that approved the study. Typically, it's just a brief sentence in the article or maybe even captured in a column at the end of an article. Again, you are just looking to see if the authors give you the information somewhere in the study that it was approved from an ethics review. In forming your appraisal response, decide if the authors provide any clear description that the study was approved by an oversight committee like an IRB or institution. If that information is lacking, simply formulate a no response to the question by explaining that the discussion couldn't be identified or was absent. Congratulations! You successfully completed this module. You may return to the main menu or continue to other appraisal modules in the NExT EBP course.